This John Rea Realty property video is presented by Linda Edwards. Located in the Drew School area on 1.88 acres of land, this custom home offers a touch of privacy while still having a neighborhood feel. The floor plan of this home has a good layout with the 3 guest bedrooms upstairs and the oversized master down. Some of the many interior amenities include a large family room with high ceilings and lots of windows, a formal dining room, a large eat-in kitchen, smart lighting, and a private study off of the master bedroom. Some of the many outside features include a full-length covered front and back porch, a heated in-ground pool with a large gazebo, and a 12 by 30 hobby/bonus room over the carport. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Edwards at 318-388